Hey guys! It's Sunday, so time to unwind with friends. So I'm lucky enough to have Lloyda, my neighbor. So we're here in the park near Macau Ferry. I'll show you guys how people what's this? Spend their holidays playing with their kids there. So yes, so we're here roaming around the Samyat Memorial Park. Samyat is a doctor. He's a doctor, a famous doctor in Hong Kong. So this park was named after her. After him. Sorry. Dr. Samyat. So we're here beside the sea. As you can see, there is here. This is also the place where the Macau Ferry starts. So going to Macau. Umalis kami doon guys kasi maingay yung mga chikwa. Tarong. Kaya I will store you guys here on Samyat Park. Samyat Park is a park named after the Dr. Samyat Sin. O, diba?
The late doctor. Yes,
that bridge, as you can see, the bridge far from that area is the bridge going to the airport. It's called Lantau Island. That island in there, it's the Lantau Island.
mataas na yun na building.
You can see the cruise ship there. Ayan. Ito naman ay that's Macau Ferry. I think no, this is not Macau Ferry. So it came from one of the island here in Hong Kong going to Central. There. So guys, this is how I spend my day off every Sunday. If I have somebody with me, because I'm not that familiar in places here in Hong Kong. So if I have somebody who asks me to go with, then I'll go. Some people here are fishing like that. They do fishing. Boat racing there. This is the of those ferries going to Macau and vice versa, Macau to Hong Kong. So this is the back view of the Macau ferry pier. So that's it. So that's red ferry. That one is going to Macau, and then going vice versa, Macau to Hong Kong. So from Macau to Hong Kong, it will take 45 minutes to 1 hour. But now there's another route going to Macau that you can ride a bus, and it took an hour or an hour and a half, if I'm not mistaken. So if you want adventure and if you want to see some views, but it's not that enjoyable being in the bus, because of course you are riding in the bridge, a long bridge, yeah, like a San Juanico bridge. So much better to ride a ferry. That's it. There you go, guys. This is how we spend our day off every Sunday. Just hanging around wherever we can stop. We can see a nice park, a nice place that we can spend our day. Pampawala ng stress sa mga makukulit na amo. Ayan. It's how beautiful the weather is. See my helicopter. Maraming tao dito, guys, nagpupunta. Especially it's already 3 o'clock, hapon na. So maraming tao dito. Every weekend, maraming nag-job. Ayan, ano na yun, papunta yun sa isang island, sa Lama Island. That part is Colonside. That one with the high-rise building is Colonside. I am in That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy what I'm showing you, where I go during my day. Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much. This is Loida from Bacolod. She's not a YouTuber. She's only my vlogger. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.